As we can see, the current political situation in the UK, and obviously a lot of our MD brothers will be affected. So first of all, what are your own personal views on the matter? And secondly, what should we be doing as MDs to start preparing for whatever is about to come? Because all of us are quite uncertain at the moment.
My view is that we should not leave European Union.
Yeah.
This is my personal view. And what is going to happen? It is said that British economy will suffer a lot, and it is quite possible that robbery and you see burglary and such type of things will increase. Off and on you can see stabbing incidences are taking place.
Yeah.
So we have to be very much careful, right? Being a khadim, you let them understand that this is not the right way of, facing such type of problems. The right way is that we should live together amicably. All, whether it is local British people or the people of any ethnic group, they should live to, or any religious group, they should live together and try to serve our country in a better way, so that we try to come out from this situation which can destroy our country, our economy, our our status in the world. So this is how you should behave, and let the people understand, and those who are your friends or within your surroundings, right?
Yeah.